Understanding the phrase, meet a dead end. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, meet a dead end. This is a common expression used in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enrich your English language skills. So, let's dive into its meaning and usage. Meet a dead end is a metaphorical phrase. It literally refers to a road or path that has no exit or continuation, just like a cul-de-sac. However, when used figuratively, it means to reach a point in a situation, task, or pursuit where no further progress is possible. It often implies that an attempt to solve a problem or achieve a goal has become futile. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In problem solving, after trying various solutions, the scientists met a dead end in their research on the new vaccine. 2. In conversations or arguments, our debate on climate change met a dead end, neither of us would change our stance. 3. In stories or narratives, the detective met a dead end in the investigation when all the clues led nowhere. Knowing synonyms can help you better grasp the essence of meet a dead end. Some similar expressions include hit a brick wall, reach an impasse, come to a standstill, go nowhere. Incorporating meet a dead end into your daily English can be quite straightforward. It's perfect for situations where you're discussing challenges or describing unsuccessful endeavors. For instance, our team met a dead end in the project when funding was cut. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use meet a dead end confidently in your English conversations. Remember, encountering dead ends is a natural part of learning and problem solving. Keep exploring, and don't be discouraged by them. See you in the next video.